Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Fuhrman. As the author of 7 books, including the New York Times best-selling Eat to Live, I've dedicated my life to helping people get well through superior nutrition and have observed miraculous results treating patients using nutritional and natural methods. One of the most important things that I've learned in my lifetime study of human nutrition is that superior nutrition can enable our immune system to prevent cancer. Recent advances in nutritional science indicate that with the right portfolio of anti-cancer foods, breast cancer can be prevented. That's why I'm thrilled to be part of the Nutritional Research Foundation. The mission of the NRF is to support, develop, and initiate clinical research to evaluate the impact of a high nutrient density diet on chronic diseases such as autoimmune illnesses, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. The science and clinical evidence suggests that we can win the war on breast cancer, and we can do it now. The Nutritional Research Foundation is proposing an innovative and exciting longitudinal study on breast cancer prevention. We propose to enroll thousands of women to take a nutritarian pledge. They will commit to this portfolio of anti-cancer foods incorporated in delicious recipes, and we will follow their results over a 10-year period to see if we really can make them cancer-proof. I expect this study to change the landscape of healthcare in America and even the world. It could be revolutionary, and the study will save lives. The money will be spent predominantly to employ some of the nation's leading nutritional scientists to study the blood work and document the results of this cohort of women. We simply have to do this. I hope you can join me in this important work. Your tax-deductible donation can make our nutritarian breast cancer prevention study a reality. Donate now to fund this groundbreaking research. Donate now to help us save lives.